Kristen and I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making some cinnamon sugar biscuit knots inspired by this week's theme, Summer Carnival. So the ingredients you'll be needing are some flaky layered biscuits, around 3 spoonfuls of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, around 2 spoonfuls of cinnamon sugar, some milk, and then don't forget to have a pan lined with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your biscuits, separate them, and cut each one in half. After you do that, you're going to go ahead and roll each one into a long rope and tie it into a knot. Once you're all done with that, you can place them in your pan. Then you're going to melt your butter in the microwave, spread it on top of each knot, and then sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on each one. Once you're all done with that, you can go ahead and pop them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. So now that they are out of the oven and cooled off a little, you're going to go ahead and make your glaze by combining powdered sugar and a spoonful of milk at a time until you get the consistency you want. I hope you guys enjoyed making this, and I'll see you next time.